Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. In today's video, we're learning how to make the Tomahawk Sinnet Paracord Bracelet done Mad Max style. So the Tomahawk Sinnet is a bracelet by JD Lens that of tying it all together. This is an oldie but goodie, and we have converted to Mad Max. This one looks great, done Mad Max style, and it wears very comfortably as well. So remember guys, if you're looking for where to get paracord and all the all the stuff and tools, paracord and all the cool stuff and tools I use in this video, feel free to check out those affiliate links down below. And with that being said, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I've got my paracord ready here. I've got two strands. The longer one is the outer color and the shorter one is the accent color. So we're going to start off with the middle point. You're going to take your longer one, you're going to make a loop like so, and lay your accent cord on top of that. From here, you're going to take this bottom strand and you're going to bend it through that loop there. Just hold it there and then pull on this strand here and close it up. Okay, now pull that nice and firm. Now because we are doing the Mad Max closure, I'm going to just slip a scrap piece of paracord in here because that's going to be our, where we make the Mad Max closure, and I don't want that to close off. So just have that right there and pull that shut, okay? So now we're ready to start tying our weave. What you're going to do next is turn this around. You're going to be working from this side of the bracelet setup. Okay, so your setup should look like this. I'm holding it facing this way. So first you're going to take the green strand on the right and you're going to make a loop like so. Take the strand on the left, put it through that loop, and then you're going to cinch it shut. Next, from here, you're going to take this red strand, you're going to cross it over, and take the other red strand on that side and cross it over. So cross them over to the opposite sides. And from there, you're going to take this green strand again on the right. You're going to make a bend in it and put it through that loop, like so, and then pull this one shut. Okay, close it up. And to make everything nice and tight, give this strand here a little bit of a pull, and pull down like so. And then also make sure these red strands don't have any slack in them. Okay. Now from here, you're going to take this and just give it a turn, like so. This will make it easier so that we're doing everything on the same side. And then from here, you're going to do the same thing again, right? So you see this strand here, cross this strand over and over, like so. Again, strand on the right, feed that through, and then pull shut. And in between each one, just make sure you cinch everything closed. Okay, so again, give it a turn. You can see our sinnet starting to form. Now again, cross them over. Cross one, cross two, like so. Take the green strand on the right, bend it through, and pull this shut. Okay, so you can see the pattern starting to form, and you're just going to repeat this process over and over and continue tying the length of your bracelet. Okay, cross those two over, green strand, bend it through, pull this shut. So I'm just trying to show you what it looks like up close. So pull that one, close it. Okay, and again, make sure you give these accent strands a little tug just to make sure they're nice and tight. And just one more time for good measure, because I want to make sure you guys can see this. So cross that over. Sorry, I did this one first. Cross that over. Cross that over. Then bend this through. Okay, so continue tying that and tie the length of your bracelet. So I have tied the length of my bracelet, and now to finish it off, we're going to close this off. So these red cords can stay where they are. I'm going to take this cord, put it through the loop like so, and take the end of this cord and again put it through that loop. And then we're going to pull this down and close it up. Pull that through as well. And just kind of get all the slack out like so. Okay, so that looks pretty neat and tidy there. So these red cords can be clipped and melted where they are. And now, I'm not sure why my cords are so uneven. I thought I had them pretty even, but anyways. To finish it off completely, remember this little placeholder cord we put up top here? We're going to remove that, like so. And don't lose this loop here. But now we're going to take this cord, put it on our fid. So this is that end green cord there. I'm going to feed one through here. I'm going to take the other cord as well. This one is there. That's going to go through this as well. And the reason I only put one cord through there is to keep it, you know, the end there nice and tight, so that when we feed both cords through, there'll be a nice tension on there. Okay, so that is done. And now to finish, we're just going to tie a diamond knot here and clip off these excess red cords. Okay, and there we have it. We are finished. Got all that excess cord snipped and cinched off, and this one turned out great. The Tomahawk Sinnet, great design by JD Lenzen, converted to Mad Max, as I know you guys love the Mad Max closure. And there it is on the wrist, real quick shot. I hope you guys like this one. As always, a huge thank you to my Patreon supporters for making videos like this possible. If you want access to exclusive videos and the monthly giveaway, feel free to check out my Patreon page. And also, if you guys like this video, feel free to hit that like button. It does help me out quite a lot. And if you're not subscribed already, you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe and turn on notifications. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.